We have a weather alert day for Thursday, and I want to talk to you about what we anticipate, what it looks like is going to happen here, and why we're wanting folks to stay weather aware and stay connected to 13 News Now throughout the day Thursday. And it really starts late today. You'll notice here it is Wednesday. We have this level 1 threat for most of the viewing area. The southwestern areas from around Ahoskie down in Hertford County and areas south and west of that. That includes areas out around Roanoke Rapids and Emporia. You are under a level 2 threat. But most of the area today is under a level 1 threat. And I do think we'll have that potential for a few isolated strong to severe storms late afternoon and evening, initially off to the north and west and potentially down across northeast North Carolina. Now, as we look ahead to tomorrow, you see the severe weather threat great out across western areas, parts of Kentucky, Tennessee, and then you even have this level 4 threat across southern Missouri, southern Illinois, and into western Kentucky and Tennessee. For our area, the severe weather threat is going to shift farther east for tomorrow, and we're going to have a level 2 threat or a slight risk. Scattered storms, potentially severe, through the day tomorrow. Now, I want to talk to you about the timing on this because a couple of things are going to happen. I showed you the severe weather threat today was greater to the west. Take a look at what happens. We'll pick up our futurecast, and as we go through the afternoon on Wednesday, things still pretty quiet here at 3:15, but you'll start to look for some things to pop up around 5 or 5:30, mainly off to the north and to the northwest initially. So we're going to be watching the radar for this development. Could see some strong storms around the eastern shore at, say, 6:30. Some more development out to the west as we go through the late evening hours. We'll still have to watch that radar as some isolated scattered showers and storms may move across northern areas. Could see some development a little farther south as well. But remember that severe weather threat, which I showed you for today, how it was a lot greater out to the west? Well, part of that considers this developing system, and this system again is going to approach the area. This is before sunrise tomorrow. This is at 4:45, so I'm going to be here getting ready for daybreak and covering daybreak starting 8:30 on 13 News Now. I said 8:30, 4:30 in the morning on 13 News Now. We're going to be tracking showers and storms approaching the area. There is some potential those storms could be strong, possibly severe, mainly west of the area. As we take you towards the morning rush hour, now we're watching some of these storms developing a little more intensity as they move towards I-95 and I-85. We'll be watching that. This is around 5:45. Eventually it comes through, and there could be some significant areas of rain. Some of these storms may weaken a little bit. We'll have to see, but we've got that chance for showers and storms impacting the morning ride. This is at 7:30. The morning commute would be a very wet one, potentially across parts of the area. This is going to clear out, and as it moves out, the atmosphere will be cooled and more stable. So the question becomes, will the atmosphere get warm enough and become unstable enough to support more severe weather later in the afternoon? And based on what we're seeing here and an approaching cold front from the west that's going to come through late Thursday and Thursday night, it appears there's a chance we could see some more strong to severe storm development. So initially you see a little bit down around the Albemarle Sound. Then as we look around 6 to 6:30 or 7, you see more development to the north and west. The evening continues and we see those heavier cells developing. Again, potential for strong storms, maybe some gusty winds gusting 50 to 70 miles per hour with some of the outflow with these cells that do develop, and some larger hail over 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter. So certainly something we'll consider as we go through Thursday evening. You see that moving towards the northern end of Virginia Beach around 10 o'clock and then moving out. Another complex here coming through the southwest parts of our area. This is late Thursday evening around 11:30. As we go past midnight and into early Friday, things will be improving. So once again, want to remind everybody we have a weather alert day, chances for rain early, possibly a few storms impacting the morning commute, and then those late day isolated to maybe scattered strong to severe storms still in the forecast, gusty winds, potential for larger hail, and a low risk of tornadoes. The threat across the region, level 2. Stay tuned to 13 News Now for updates throughout the day and evening Wednesday and again on Thursday, and we'll keep you updated as the threats develop and as they go past the region. Stay tuned.